How to change server on Ome TV. Hi guys, in this video we'll learn how you'll be able to change your server here on Ome TV. So all you have to do is go to your web browser and click on your profile here on the upper right corner of the screen. That's the one with the icon or the image. And you just need to click on create new profile and then just create your name. So this will be a guest profile. And all you have to do here is search for Urban VPN. This is what you'll need so that you will be able to change your server. You just click on free download and you will be routed into the Chrome web page, and you will be able to add the Urban VPN proxy to your Chrome extension. So just click on add to Chrome and then add extension. And you'll be able to see here on the upper right corner of the screen that it has now been downloaded. You'll be able to see that it is now been part of the extension that you have here on the Google Chrome or your web browser. Once that is done, click on this extension icon like a jigsaw icon here and make sure that you pin the extension for Urban VPN and click on the three dots menu and go to Manage Extension. Here, you'll be able to see that it's up and running. Just click on agree and continue so that you'll be able to successfully use this extension for you to be able to change your server. So going back to the extension, click on the three bars menu and click on manage extension. Here, there's an option allow in incognito. Just make sure that you toggle that on, since we will be opening Ome TV through the incognito tab. Once that's on, all we have to do is click on the three dots menu on the upper right corner and click on new incognito tab and just simply type in ome.tv or Ome TV. Just click on this first link that is provided and you can click on the extension on the upper corner, right corner of the screen, and make sure you click on the play button so that your server will be up and running. So when you click on the Ome TV link, this is what you will be routed to. And all you have to do is to sign in, and you can continue with your Facebook account or your VK account. So let me sign in here with my Facebook account, and you'll be able to see here that the country automatically changed to United States, since that is the server that I chose from the VPN that I have. So when you click on start, you'll be able to see that connection established in United States. So if you want to change that to other countries, simply click on this jigsaw puzzle for Urban VPN and change it to the country or to the nationality that you want. So for example, you have France. Make sure that you change as well the country on the upper left corner, or lower left rather, and make sure that you have it on France as well. So when you click on start, you will start encountering or connecting with other people from France. You'll be able to see that it will also indicate on the lower right corner that it has now been established in France. And that's basically it. That's how you simply change your server on Ome TV. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!